Welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya, and for today's video I really want to show you how to make some tennis biscuit rusks. I saw this video originally on TikTok, so I'll link her TikTok channel in the comments below, as well as her recipe, so please check out her blog. It's really cool and really interesting. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Hope you like and comment, and here we go.